Number 6, here, Santa Ana Quarry. Oh, Renegro, Conqueror's Magic, Explosivo, Pinay Beauty, Damong Ligaw. Never say goodbye on the outside, and Gone Guru is the early trailer. Pinay Beauty, Explosivo in between runners alongside 1A, and this one is Conqueror's Magic, Never Say Goodbye. Also joining them, then Damong Ligaw is running in fifth by about 4 lengths. Don Guro is running at the tail of the field by about 6 to 7 lengths of the leader. Pinay Beauty, Never Say Goodbye, rushing up to grab the lead. Never Say Goodbye, 1A, Conqueror's Magic, Pinay Beauty, Explosivo. Damong Ligaw, Don Guro also rushing up as they race the last 500. Never Say Goodbye, 1A, Conqueror's Magic on the outside. Damong Ligaw at the center together with Don Guro. And down the stretch they come. Never Say Goodbye, Conqueror's Magic. It's still Never Say Goodbye by about 2 lengths. Conqueror's Magic. Don Guro is running by the rail. Never Say Goodbye, Don Guro. And finally, Never Say Goodbye, Don Guro. Damong Ligaw, 1A, Conqueror's Magic, 1 Pinay Beauty, and Explosivo to complete the arrival.